Hello everyone, my name is Zafri Nasbat and today I'm going to tell you a very important thing in this video. As you are all seeing that we are launching a free PDF for all of you. For your examination, for your betterment, we are launching 300 plus important questions related to IEIFS that is available to you in the PDF format. This PDF is actually compiled by me and Himanshu sir. Okay, and this PDF is going to give you 300 plus MCQs with their answer. Okay, so a very important PDF, and this PDF is free of cost to all of you, right? You don't have to pay anything, you don't have to do anything, you just click on the link which is given in the description box, and as you click on the link you will get a PDF. You just download it from there, right? So this contains 300 plus most important questions of Indian economy and Indian financial system with their answers. Okay, so if you are seeing this, so this PDF will be like this, right? So there are different questions, right? You are seeing that we have different questions here. It is 300 plus questions. You will see the numbering. We have 300 plus questions curated for you all, right? Then at the last of the PDF, when you are seeing this PDF, at the last of the PDF, you will find what? You will find the answer sheet of this particular whole thing. So here is the answer keys. See, this is the answer keys where you will get all the answer. Okay, every answer is actually rechecked by me and Himanshu, so you don't have to worry about the content, and this will help you a lot in your examination. All you have to do is to just click on the link which is given in the video and just download this PDF from there. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Take care, just share as much as you can this video, because this video is helpful for each and every banker, right? And if you haven't subscribed this channel yet, it's a request, guys, that please subscribe this channel and press the bell notification icon. Thank you so much. Have a very nice day. Take care. Bye bye, guys.